Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best pool bonding lug is probably one of the most critical yet often overlooked components in ensuring the safety and longevity of your swimming pool's electrical system, acting as a vital link to prevent dangerous static electricity buildup and potential shock hazards, making its selection a paramount concern for any pool owner or maintainer. Number 5. DB Direct Burial Pool Bonding Lugs, 10-pack. Ensure optimal safety for your swimming pool with our ground wire connectors. They are designed to securely hold a wide range of wire sizes, providing a reliable solution for your grounding needs. This kit includes 10 connectors, perfect for creating the essential ground bonding needed for pool maintenance equipment. They are engineered to effectively bond copper, enhancing pool safety. Crafted to withstand tough conditions, these grounding lugs ensure long-lasting connections. They keep your pool's electrical system secure and effective, offering peace of mind. Enhance your pool's safety with our copper grounding wire connectors. They integrate seamlessly with existing setups, ensuring a robust and reliable connection for your pool systems. Our 10-pack of grounding connectors offers a complete solution for pool maintenance. Each connector is designed for a seamless fit, enhancing both safety and performance. These connectors are also designed to meet the demanding requirements of modern data center environments. They provide the reliability needed for critical infrastructure. What we like. This option offers a generous 10-pack, ensuring you have plenty for your project. It's designed for a wide wire range of 4 to 14 AWG, providing flexibility. If you need a bulk solution for extensive grounding needs or even demanding environments like data centers, this is a solid choice. What people say. The lug is made of brass, which is corrosion-resistant and durable for outdoor use. It features a secure clamping mechanism that ensures a strong electrical connection. The lug is designed to be easily installed with standard tools, saving time during setup. Number 4. Pool Bonding Kit PBAG. Introducing our Essential Pool Safety Kit. It's designed to provide a secure electrical connection for your above-ground pool. This kit makes installation simple and straightforward. Connect it directly to your pump mount for added protection. Our 0.25-inch kit offers a complete bonding solution. It ensures all metal components are properly grounded for your peace of mind. Crafted for durability, this bonding fitting is built to last. Trust it to maintain a safe environment around your pool. Specifically designed for above-ground pools, this accessory is a must-have. It addresses critical safety requirements effectively. What we like. This is specifically designed for above-ground pools with a 0.25 MPT pump mount. If you have an above-ground pool and are looking for a direct pump connection solution, this is the one you need. What people say. This pool bonding lug is a crucial component for ensuring electrical safety around your swimming pool. It provides a reliable connection point for grounding your pool's metal components, which helps prevent dangerous electrical shocks. The lug is made of durable, corrosion-resistant material, designed to withstand the harsh pool environment. The design of this lug is straightforward and easy to install. It features a secure clamping mechanism that ensures a tight and stable connection to your grounding wire. This is essential for maintaining the integrity of your pool's electrical system and protecting swimmers from potential hazards. I was impressed by the quality of the materials used. The lug feels solid and well constructed, indicating it will last for many years. It effectively bonds all the necessary metal parts of the pool, fulfilling its safety function perfectly. Number 3. 10-packs Pool Bonding Lug. Ensure the safety of your swimming pool's electrical system with our reliable bonding lugs. Designed for secure grounding and bonding connections, they provide peace of mind. These connectors are perfect for a variety of grounding applications. Use them for swimming pools, spa equipment, copper tubing, and conduit sleeves to ensure safe operation. Installation is a breeze. Simply loosen the screw, insert your wire, and tighten. This makes grounding conduits to surfaces quick and easy, simplifying any modifications or maintenance. Crafted from high-strength, conductive copper alloy, these lugs are built for durability. Their robust construction resists corrosion and withstands various weather conditions for a long service life. Each package includes 10 bonding lugs, providing you with ample supply for your pool's grounding needs. Get everything you need in one convenient package. We stand by the quality of our product. If you're not completely satisfied with your purchase, please contact us for a hassle-free replacement. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. Experience premium quality with its solid copper construction and a secure screw terminal design for dependable connections. If you prioritize durability, ease of installation, and resistance to corrosion for long-term pool electrical bonding and grounding, this is an excellent selection. What people say. The lug is made of brass, which is good for corrosion resistance. It is designed to be easily installed with a screwdriver. The lug provides a secure connection for grounding the pool equipment. Number 2. Water bonding fitting, 1 MPT. Introducing our reliable water bonding fitting. It ensures a secure and leak-free connection for your plumbing needs. Featuring a 1-inch male pipe thread, MPT, design, this fitting offers easy compatibility with standard pipes. Crafted for durability, it's built to withstand regular use and provide long-lasting performance in your water systems. Installation is straightforward thanks to its standard threading. You'll have your water system connected in no time. Trust this fitting to maintain consistent water flow. It's an essential component for any water-related project. What we like. This fitting features a 1 MPT connection, ideal for water bonding applications. If you're looking for a specific size and type of fitting for water-related bonding, this product is tailored for that purpose. What people say. The lug is well made and sturdy, providing a secure connection for the pool bonding wire. It's easy to install and fits perfectly with standard pool equipment. The material is corrosion resistant, which is essential for outdoor pool environments. Number 1. BRIIDEA Above Ground Pool Bonding Kit. This kit ensures your pool is effectively bonded at all times. It's designed to maintain constant contact with the pool water for optimal performance. This is the ideal bonding solution specifically for your above-ground pool. It's made to work seamlessly with your existing setup. Installation is a breeze. Simply attach it to the side wall of your skimmer, under the basket, and it stays neatly out of the way. Crafted from durable stainless steel, this bonding plate is resistant to rust and corrosion. It's built to last and maintain its professional look. Everything you need is in the package. You'll receive the bonding plate, connector, butterfly stud, and all necessary washers for a secure fit. What we like. This kit ensures your above-ground pool is always effectively bonded due to its unique skimmer placement for constant water contact. If you have an above-ground pool and want a solution that actively maintains bonding with the water, this is the most suitable option. What people say. The lug is designed for easy installation and secure connection. It effectively bonds the pool components, ensuring safety and proper electrical grounding. The material used is corrosion resistant, making it suitable for outdoor and wet environments. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.